What's the deal, y'all? Just got my 94 Impala SS. I'm happy, I'm a proud, glad owner. But first things first, gotta replace these new locks. Gotta put new key locks on here. So as you can see, I done bust that old lock down. It's the old one in there. Gotta go all new, all fresh. So that way I know I'm the only owner to this mug. So I'm just tapping in, showing y'all the progress. I'll tap in when I'm done. What's the deal? What's the deal, everybody? As y'all can see, I've been busy. I had to change my locks too. See, got a new lock. I had to vacuum out the interior. Trying to get this, the Impala together. Can't build everything overnight, but it does look pretty good on the inside after a nice little vacuum. So, got a couple wires and stuff I got to get rid of and figure out how that shit was, but this is how it came, you know what I'm saying, with that in there. But I got some more things I got to look for. I got to look for some pods. I tried looking today at the junkyard. Couldn't find no pods. So everything seemed to be gone. But as you can see, I ain't got no liner in the trunk. But let me show y'all. Good junkyard find. I was on the grind, so I got some molding, some trims. Got some things, man, that I can add to the Imp. So trying to get it together, man, slowly but surely. And things. Did some maintenance on it, man. Let me see if I could get a cold start for y'all. I ain't started all day. So, see if I could get a start for y'all. So y'all can hear it. Here it goes. Surely getting it together, man. Gotta get me an alarm and stuff put on there, but I got some of them check engine lights to come on. I still gotta do an Opti Spark and tune it up because it's a little rich and it's running a little rough. So just the basic maintenance on it, and I think she'll be street ready. So stay locked in with your boy. I'm gonna tap in with y'all in a minute. Shit, what's the deal? What's the deal? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Early morning grind, man. Of course, you know I'm about to do the infamous Opti Spark. So if anybody a B-Body LT1 owner, y'all already know what I'm on. Y'all know what I gotta do. It's about to be crazy. Psych, it ain't gonna be crazy, man. I done mastered doing this Opti, done. Shit probably gonna take me like maybe 20 minutes. I had to redo this too, man. Couldn't shut my hood, so I had to redo this. I'm about to grab me a nice little custom thing to throw in here, of course, but I had to put one of my old things back in, so. But long story short, I'm about to pop off the water pump, do that, get to that Opti Spark, change it, man. Pull that pulley off, so. At the end of the day, man, hopefully once I get done doing all this shit, it'll be back running pretty good, so. It run decent, but just got a misfire, so. And I'm convinced it's the Opti. But I'll check back on y'all when I get the update in. See that early morning rise and grind, y'all. Yes, sir. And we got it. The infamous Opti Smart. Trying to get that bitch up out of there. Told you your boy moved quick. Got the new one on deck. Well, I think I found my problem. This is a bullshit ass Opti Spark. Look at that bitch. Man, this motherfucker a piece of shit. No wonder why this bitch was running like shit. Look at that motherfucker crack. Probably got all type of water in it. Yes, sir. Brand new Opti. Fresh out the bag, fresh out the box. About to go in there. I'm gonna clean that bitch down. You see that? Good CarQuest one. I ain't never had a problem with CarQuest. I don't know. Anybody know? Y'all can tell me what brands y'all use, but I use CarQuest. And I haven't had a problem since. Yeah, figure since I met it, might as well get a brand new water pump. So I went on here and grabbed me a brand new water pump so I know everything is crispy and brand new. Yes, sir. When they got me a brand new water pump, about to slap that bitch on there. All new shit. The old shit got to go. So, hey, if I'm gonna do it, I might as well do it right. I might even get a new one of them too, just to have a new alternator. So, and we got life. I redid this. I went on ahead and put it back the way it was when I got it. So, no engine shaking, no nothing, no sputtering. The motherfucker running smooth. So, I don't know, I'm gonna test drive it next.